Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to share 50 word meaning for daily use in English and Hindi too. So let's start.
SALT, salt. Salt means namak. BITTER, bitter. Bitter means kadwa. SWEET, sweet. Sweet means mithai. SOUR, sour. Sour means khatta. SALTY, salty. Salty means namkeen. FEARFUL, fearful. Fearful means भयभीत. LOYEL, loyal. Loyal means निष्ठावान. USEFUL, useful. Useful means उपयोगी. ARTIFICIAL, artificial. Artificial means कृत्रिम. MEDICINE, medicine. Medicine means दवा. LUCKY, lucky. Lucky means भाग्यशाली. ANGRY, angry. Angry means गुस्सा. CLOSED, close. Close means बंद किया हुआ. OPEN, open. Open means खुला. BROKEN, broken. Broken means टूटा हुआ. HELP, help. Help means मदद. SITUATION, situation. Situation means परिस्थिति. PUNISHMENT, punishment. Punishment means सजा. SIN, sin. Sin means पाप. SCAM, scam. Scam means घोटाला. RIFT, rift. Rift means दरार. BORING, boring. Boring means उबाऊ. TEAR, tear. Tear means आंसू. AUSPICIOUS, spacious means शुभ. TORN, torn. Torn means फटा हुआ. DUSKY, dusky. Dusky means काला. DEAD, dead. Dead means मृत. ALIVE, alive. Alive means जीवित. WITHER, wither. Wither means सूख. SAPLINGS, saplings. Sapling means पौधे. BOON, boon. Boon means वरदान. BANE, बैनी. बैनी means फारसी. HEIR, here. Here means here. Here means उत्तरवर्ती. CLEAR, clear. Clear means स्पष्ट. BLUR, blur. Blur means कलंक. HOLY, holy. Holy means पवित्र. SCARY scary, scary means डरावना. SCARED scared, scared means डरा हुआ. PRISON prison, prison means कारागार. PRISONER prisoner, prisoner means बंदी. CULPRIT culprit, culprit means अपराधी. INSAN insane, insane means पागल. FEAR fear, fear means डर. RASCAL rascal, rascal means दुष्ट. ROOF roof, roof means छत. ENEMI enemy, enemy means दुश्मन. BOOZER boozer, boozer means शराबी. SILENT silent, silent means चुपचाप. TASTY tasty, tasty means स्वादिष्ट. SPICY spicy, spicy means मसालेदार.